Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, new item, new plug. So I will show you some items that I buy from Null, the online shop, for upcoming winter. So this is the item. It's halogen heater. So guys, it's too big. So it's so nice. I buy this for only 99 SR. The regular, because it's promo, regular price is 199 SR. So discounted. So I'll show you what looks like inside, and guys, it's easily to assemble. So I'll show you. Let's show it is just how I opened it. I fix items. So nice. So with this one with remote control, we'll show you the remote control. Okay. So this is the one, yeah. So there's a function button. So I show you. This is the power button, the red one. This is the one for adjusting the heat. And this is for the... So guys, the brand is Flexi. So you guys, I hope you like it. Thank you.